Hello, everyone. It is your girl Tajana with No Dream is Too Big. We are super excited about all of the positive responses we are getting from the city of Montgomery. There have been a lot of small businesses and just individuals that have provided us with a lot of just inspiration and encouragement. So it just goes to show that anything can happen. It doesn't matter where you're from, how big or small of a city that you stay in. It doesn't matter. You can make your dreams happen and you can bring them to life. Today, just to give you guys a kind of an overview of how my day went. I had several appointments with potential clients, and I had a makeup test that I had to do at school, and hopefully that turned out great. I had my I guess it's like my third workout with Brandon, the Stallion is what we call him at Fit for Christ. And they have a wonderful establishment over there. And Brandon is just wonderful too, but he kicked my butt today. So I'm pretty tired and worn out. As you guys can probably see, I have like bags under my eyes, which we should fix pretty soon, hopefully, with some makeup and touch ups and stuff later on in the show. So I just want to let you guys know we really appreciate your support. Stay tuned and stay up on the lookout for any updates that we may have with No Dream is Too Big. We really appreciate you and your support once again.